In this section, I wanted to show you how to use some of these tools to create items like a standard trees or a row of power pylons, as shown here in the graphic here. So what I'm going to do is just go to my top view. It's always in perspective, this application. It's a full 3D animation creation tool. I want to go and create a standard trees, and inside of Works there's some really good tree data available in the application. So if I just go and choose this one here and I want to choose my location, I can instantly just grab this section and start creating the closed polyline of what I want to use. So here's the area, double click, and what it does automatically is it creates some trees. The command is still open, so that's why the trees are highlighted. Now if I select one tree, I can actually scale it up independently. If I select twice, it will allow me to scale up those trees all at the same time by just selecting the height tool here. We can also adjust the density, so you can take it down or you can increase it. Don't go too crazy on this because it will populate it with a huge amount of trees. And for anything that is inside of the model that you don't want to have, you can just select them independently and delete them out, or you can move them independently as needed to suit. Another thing you can do here is if you want to manipulate maybe the variety of trees, you could go and select some manually here. There is a randomizer script to actually do this, because this is just a basic tutorial. I won't get too much into that for now, but we can go and change that, and we have instantly some styles that we can choose from. Or if we want to be a bit more precise about every tree we want, we'll just go to more styles, and this will bring up the style palette. So something a little bit different might be more of these yellow looking trees, and now we have a little bit more variety inside of our design here. Other tools we can use are the city furniture or railways, rivers. You can see here this bit of water here is actually animated, and we've got some roads. The one we could choose is instead of a standard trees is a row of trees, and you can do this with city furniture. So I want to do this pylon and I want to run it along the road. I'll choose this one here actually. I can go and just click from point A to point B, and it goes and creates these pylons for me. And of course we can finish that. Just hover it over it. So select one, select them all, try it again, select them all, and you can start to rotate as needed or adjust the density. Or if you didn't want to do it this way, we could add them exactly to the road. So this is another way to do it. Here's my road style here, and I want to look at editing that road style. So over here in the style palette, this is the street, interstate, ramp with curb. I'll go down to my road styles here and find that street, interstate, ramp with curb. So it's that one there that I want to edit, and we can just go to the edit tool and we can get a little 3D view of how that's going to look, and we want to add that street furniture directly to the road style, so I don't need to do it manually. And we'll drop down to the which one was it? We'll go down to energy. So here we have the transmission pylons. I've got a more detail on here, and what you see in real time is it actually populating here in the model, and this will give us a bit more control over how you want to manipulate it. So there are height offsets, there's tilting, you can do all this, space it, just the spacing maybe 20 meters, and you can do offsets, rotations, something I was just trying to do before. So you can start to do that, and automatically things will adjust as needed. So this will give you a bit more control, and it will add it to the style. So simply I've added it to the road here, and I'm just going to go back to the design, and let me just do that again because it did not save. So back to energy, that one, 15 meters for that one. So now we have it, and make sure you go OK. And now that's just going to change that style and automatically add it to my roads without me having to do too much. So that's just a quick snapshot of some of the tools that you can use to start creating your immediate site environment inside of InfoWorks 360.